I'm going to show them to you so much you'll just know it by heart. All right, this is supposed to be the kidney. Do you guys see all these little balls in there? Those are supposed to be the little ball of capillaries that starts with the G. Anybody remember the glomerulus? Yeah, so each one of those is a glomerulus. So this whole layer they call the cortex because the glomeruli, which is the plural, are up in the cortex. Okay, so let's put one of those on high power. And I'm going to show you, I'm looking for something that shows, let's see, a real good one. I'm looking for 4 things, all in the same spot is what I'm looking for. Yeah, let's go ahead and use this one. I'll lighten this guy up a little bit. Okay, go ahead and name that structure there. Glomerulus. Okay, that's called the glomerulus. There is a skinny little thing here where everything, yeah, that's actually part of the Bowman's capsule. It's made of simple squamous. It's actually part of the Bowman's capsule is on here, and I'll explain that next time. But go ahead and just call this Bowman's capsule out here, guys, and that'll be okay. You can go ahead and call this glomerulus. And then nearby, you're going to see the proximal and the distal convoluted tubules all cut like little circles. And let me show you the difference, if I can get it. Let's see the difference really well. Okay, right here I'll show you, and then next time I'll get you a better view, guys. The proximal convoluted tubule always has the microvilli shown kind of in pink or purple. So these two are both proximal convoluted tubules. This one is not a very good one, but this one is a distal. And you don't see the microvilli. Apparently it has them, but they're not nearly as long. So, oh, can you guys see this one here? That's kind of blurry, but that's which one do you think? Distal. That's a distal convoluted tubule. These 3 are all proximal. With microvilli. Yeah, and they all have kind of a fuzzy pink inside part where the microvilli are. So I'll get you guys a good one next time. I was just kind of looking quickly. Yeah, when we have a little bit more time, I'll get you another one. Okay. Okay, there's another kidney slide I want to show you, and then kidney. This one is a darker slide. I'm going to put you up where all the glomeruli are. Yeah, this is nice and dark, so let's go ahead. I might use this one for your lab test. Okay, yeah, this is good. Okay, go ahead and name this structure here. Glomerulus. Okay, now do you guys see kind of a blue edge here? Name that. Bowman's capsule. Now go ahead and compare this little circle with this bright red one. Which tubule do you think that one is? Proximal, convoluted, and how about distal? Distal. Yeah, this one shows the colors a lot better. I'll use this one for you guys. And then if you go to the next page, it talks about 2 things you need in the medulla. And that's how I'm going to just shift you right there. And then I'm just going to show you 2 more slides. I'm going to hang on to you for 5 more minutes. Get it too dark, too light, it doesn't help. Okay, so on the slide, you guys needed to name those 4 things up here. Glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, proximal, distal, convoluted tubule. Then if you move away from there, you're going to get kind of down in this section. Right here, I'm going to keep going, and all you will see way down, and this is the medulla, you're only going to see 2 kinds of circles down here. One is a collecting duct, and the other is the thin part of the loop of Henle. Okay, so if I ask you guys to compare this thick one with all these little skinny ones, this is going to be a collecting duct, All these little skinny ones are the thin part of the loop of Henley, because it's thin at the bottom and it's thick up at the top, and I'll explain that on Thursday. So let's say I move it right here, and I darken it a little bit. Go ahead and name these two structures. For that one, there's another one. And all these little loops in between?
Loop of Henley.
Loop of Henley, yeah. That's good. Okay, and then three more slides, then we're done. The next one shows the